Hey guys, all I'm doing today is making a nice, easy, quick sandwich. Nothing real fancy going on here, but it's going to be mighty fine, I tell you. And we got a special sauce that's going to be going on it that's going to be oh so good. We got this skillet heating up over about low heat, and we're going to go ahead and add in about a tablespoon of butter and let that melt down. And we're going to add in a couple pieces of toast. I'm going to get that side buttery. Then I'm going to turn it over and spread around that butter a little bit more. Oh yeah, this is going to be good. Going to be mighty fine. Same thing with this one. Try to get it incorporated in that butter pretty good. And we're just going to let it cook for about a minute or so on that side. Oh yeah. Ready to flip. Flip this and get nice and toasty. Let them cook for about another minute. Alright, getting pretty nice and toasty on each side. We'll go ahead and pull these off. I'm just going to let them sit on a plate and rest because we got some more things we got to do first. Several pieces of deli sliced turkey going in. We'll let that cook for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then we'll flip it. Now while our toast is still a little bit warm and resting, we're going to go ahead and lay a layer of Swiss cheese over each slice of toast and just sit it on the back of the stove there and let it rest. Now I think it's about time to flip the ham. Oh yeah, getting a little bit of color on it there. Let's season that ham with just a little bit of cracked black pepper. That's about all I want on it. I want to keep this pretty simple. I'm going about another minute or so. And what we're going to do is separate this ham in half just like that. Put that over there. Flip this one over. Stick him like that. Now this is where the magic happens for the sandwich. And I'm going to tell you, this stuff is mighty fine on this. And it goes well with a lot of other things you think it wouldn't. That it is that creamy coconut and spices. 1 teaspoonful on each piece of bread. Give it a give it a little bit of spread, just like that. And here is our deli turkey. You can see the cheese is melted right in the center of it. It's been cooking probably about another minute longer after I put the cheese in the middle of it. Just get that bad boy slid on there. Come on, come on. You can do it. There it goes. Didn't get on there too perfectly, but we can fix it. Just like that. Okay, same pan we cooked the turkey and all that in. We're going to add in another tablespoon of butter. Needs more butter, I tell you. Now we'll let that melt down. Looks like it's melted down. We're going to cook this over about medium-low heat. Sit that right there in that butter. Oh yeah. Let it cook for about a minute. Alright, been going about a minute. Let's give it a flip. Man, wait till you see this. Beautiful. About another minute. Alright, time to pull this bad boy off. See if we can get it out of there. Look at there. Look at that underside. Oh man. So it got a little bit darker, but still gonna be mighty fine. Let's get that on a plate, because man, that's burning my hand. Let's cut this in half. Just a simple sandwich. And man, I'm gonna tell you what. That sauce we put on it is gonna make it mighty fine. Just a good sandwich for lunch or a good late night snack when you got the munchies. So let's give this a try. Yeah, I know this is just a simple sandwich, guys, but with that sauce I put on it, it's gonna make it mighty fine. And especially cooking it in all that butter, getting that bread nice and toasty, all that Swissy cheese in there. And you can use cheddar cheese, any kind of cheese you want it to, really, but this right here is what I like. So let's give it a try. Man, that sure is a mighty fine sandwich right there, you know. Just for a quick snack, quick lunch, whatever. Probably ain't the healthiest sandwich, but it does have turkey on it. Is turkey healthy? I think it is. But anyways, guys, I want to appreciate say thank you to all the new subscribers. We've gained, I think, well over 1,000 subscribers in the last month. And I really, really, truly appreciate every single one of y'all. I mean, y'all mean a lot to me, more than you'll ever know. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Cheers.